everyone, we will be completely rebuilding the shocks. So we're gonna have to fix the suspension in this 2002 Trailblazer. To get to it, we gotta take off both tires and take out almost everything. So we got new shocks over here for the suspension to replace the old ones. We're gonna see if that actually works. Pretty good jacks. We highly recommend them. These jack stands. Just on this side. Unboxing the new Christmas present. Whoa. So I've been sick for the past couple of days, so I wasn't able to ever do anything, you know, with the flu. I haven't been able to film or anything. I haven't had any videos backed up. Where they go, if possible. We gotta replace that. That's over there. Loose. Shouldn't do that. Maybe that's also the problem with the squeaking we've been hearing inside driving. It is. We're gonna have to replace this ball joint. See how weak they are? Yeah. It should be stiff. Yep. Okay.
Right tool for the right job.
He's putting the bolt back in now. Yep. Next part, he's trying to take that out. That sounds terrible.
That's all the squeaking in.
That's gonna have to be replaced too, don't it? We're gonna have to remove that whole thing, then replace it, and hopefully all the squeaking will go away. We have to take this off, put this piece back on the new one, clean that up in there, and change out that ball joint on that. He's trying to figure out if the boot is leaking. The motor mount might be broken. So we're running into a little bit of an issue. Is that doesn't want to come out, and we're trying everything. You don't know what is keeping it in there. So we tried kicking it, prying it. But we need to measure. Okay, so this is this side. That side. That's how a real man opens his bags. So now we have to go on the other side because we did all we could do on this side right here. That's all we could do so far until we get more parts. The other side, we're going to start taking that part completely, and then we're going to put it all back together after we get that one part. So we are now working on this side of the vehicle. We already got all that set up, and now we're trying to work on our ABS system.
Ready? Here we go. Right tool for the right job.
Here it goes.
All right, praise the Lord.
So we finally put on both of the tires after we finished fixing the suspension. Now, we did figure out that the motor mounts were broken. That's also causing the squeaking, so we went ahead and fixed that as well. So this whole thing got finished. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.